today's craft is going to be inspired by this little book here, The Hungry Hungry Caterpillar. I decided to buy this like a couple of weeks ago and she like really loved it. So we are going to be making this little caterpillar puppet. So yeah, so let's get started. Yay! Yay! Okay.
So let's start our prep work. First thing you're going to need is some foam paper. I like foam paper because it's a little bit thicker than cardstock. It's more flexible and it just makes for a more durable craft. The next thing you're going to need is a pipe cleaner. Any color is fine. And then we're going to need some popsicle sticks. We chose red and green simply because that's the color of the caterpillar in the book, but any color will do. So let's now take our red foam paper, and I couldn't find my circle stencil, so I just used an old jelly cap, and we're just gonna trace around it. And for the red foam paper we only need one circle, and it should look something like this. Now we're gonna take our green foam paper and we're gonna do the same. For this one we're gonna need 3 circles, so make sure you trace out 3 circles and cut them out. And now we're gonna take our yellow foam paper and we're gonna draw 2 small ovals, and it's okay if they're uneven, it doesn't really matter. And you should have something that looks like this when you're done. Now we're gonna take our pipe cleaner and we're gonna fold it in half, and we're gonna take our scissor and just cut it right down the middle. And now we're gonna take one of those halves and fold it in half again. And we're going to do the same with our scissor and just cut it down the middle. And now we have 2 nice little antennas, and that's it for our prep work.
The glue.
Okay.
Hold it. Squeeze it. Okay, that's enough.
Mommy.
That's it. Now you gotta stick it. Look, stick it.
No.
Yeah, look, see?
Mommy.
Stick it.
I want it to go.
Okay, let's do some more glue here. Oh, nice. Now you gotta stick it. Turn around. Yeah,
Okay.
stick it.
Mommy, one more thing.
One more thing.
I can stick it.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
Idea. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, and now we're gonna stick it again. You're gonna stick it.
Okay.
Oh, okay, you can put it right there. Stick it.
My mama tell it again.
One more? Okay, so let's stick it right here. Yeah.
I did it.
Woohoo, you did it. So stick it. Turn around. Okay, stick it.
Yay!
Okay, mommy, stick it for you.
Mommy.
You wanna do the eyes?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Turn it around. Wait, wait.
Okay.
Okay. Here,
Okay.
hold it. Okay, good job. Now stick it. Yeah, stick it. Stick it on the red one.
Okay. Now one more time.
Okay, wait, you gotta stick it the right way.
Oh.
Alright, stick it.
I want to stick it too.
Oh, okay. No, not that side. That side. Okay, ready?
Mommy, I want to stick it.
Okay.
Mommy, let's go.
Alright, I'm trying to help you. Alright, stick it. You put it. Look, it's on there.
I want to do it.
Okay.
I want to do it.
Alright, so stick it. You gotta stick it now.
Okay. I want to do it.
Okay.
First.
Good job. Yes.
Hey, I'm not done.
Yes, you are. Okay, you gotta stick it.
Okay.
Alright. Good job. So let's stick it.
Okay.
Alright. Now we gotta turn it over, okay?
Mommy.
You gotta stick it again. Look, come on. Now stick it. Stick it right there. Okay, stick it. Press it. Oh, you took it all apart.
Oops, sorry.
And then it should look something like this, which is
Mommy.
beautiful.
Mommy.
And now we're gonna attach the antennas. Mommy has to do this part, okay?
No.
Yeah, mommy has to do this part.
Mommy did it too.
No, you too little.
No.
Can't
No.
You can't do that part.
No, I want the other.
It's hot, hot, hot.
No.
See?
No, no, no.
Finish.
No.
So this is what it should look like.
I'm
Nice and
not.
fun.
I'm not.
You not finished?
Yeah.
You're done. Should
Dad.
look something like this.
Dad. Dad.
Or maybe something like this, which is cute.
I mean that.
What? You made it?
No. That.
I don't want
A
that.
blue one.
A blue popsicle stick.
Uh-huh.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.